Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is a quick clip of something that I've been wanting to do in my garden for a while, y'all, but I just ain't never did it. What I want to do today is actually use one of the items that I purchased from one of my TEMU hauls for the garden, and it is actually these, if you can see it, these little tree, I don't know, like the little tree perimeter things, y'all. What I want to do, let me see, can I turn this around? No, I can't. Okay, so you see the base of my apple tree. I want to clear like all of this area around the base of the apple tree, clear everything away. Y'all know underneath all of this fake like wood mulch, I have black landscaping fabric, so I'm gonna clear away all of the mulch. I'm gonna like fold back the black landscaping fabric. I'm gonna put the green little circle thing around, y'all. I can't remember the name, but y'all know what it is. But I'm gonna put that around, and then I'm gonna take some rocks and kind of like make a border around the edge of the ring, and then put the mulch back on the outside of the ring. So I want the green ring to stay exposed. I'm gonna use the rocks to, you know, hold it in place. And then when I fertilize and feed the tree, I'm gonna feed from the outside perimeter of that ring, because it is a breathable material. Look, y'all, it done fell in the bucket, but it's a breathable material, y'all. It's real thin, and I can water through this. I can put liquid fertilizer through this, but if need be, I can lift this up and put fertilizer granules that'll go straight into the soil, you know, put this down and then water over it. So this is something that I want to do for all of my trees in the ground, and I might also do it for the plants that I have in the pots. I'm gonna see if the size fits. I also have black ones of these. They're a little bit more sturdy. They're made of like a different material. It's just something like I want to put these green ones because I wanted to contrast from the brown mulch, the black landscaping fabric, which you ain't supposed to see because it's supposed to be covered by the brown mulch. But I just want like designated visual contrast. So when I go to water, when I go to fertilize, I have that color contrast, y'all. I don't have no setup out here, so let me go ahead and rake this away, put this in place, see how I want to position it, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how it look at the end. All right, y'all, just a quick glimpse. So I raked away some of the mulch. You can see the landscaping fabric, but you can see kind of like the rock ring that I had right around the tree, y'all. I forgot I even had rocks that close. So I had this inner ring of rocks. I probably put that down, I don't know, closer to the time when I first either planted the tree or somewhere in between. But I also had like an outer ring. This rock is pulled back, but I had like an outer ring of larger rocks also. And then I went around this way. I have some earthworms. Y'all know I'm gonna pull them up. We gonna save them. You know what, matter of fact, before I forget, let me just go ahead, pick that up and put that in a raised bed right there. I thought I saw another one, but if I do, we gonna save them. So I'm gonna just keep going, peeling away back, well, raking away back the mulch. You can see it's starting to break down and stuff too, but this is that you know, like that fake colored mulch. So that's not something I ever want to put like in my raised beds or in my buckets or whatever. It just was for, you know, like decoration and stuff or whatever. So you can see here is the landscaping fabric. This is a fold, y'all, and who knows what kind of bugs and stuff they have. I ain't got my gloves, so y'all know I ain't gonna peel too far back, but I need to get my gloves because I gotta move all of these rocks. I hope that the diameter of the ring will fit around this. If not, I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit, and then I'm gonna take these same rocks and put them on the outer rim of the green ring to hold it down, and then just rake the brown mulch back into place. So we're gonna see how that look. I just wanted to show y'all what it kind of looked like midway through, since I don't have the setup to really kind of show y'all while I'm working. All right, y'all, let me get back to work. Ladies and gentlemen, I am wore out. Oh, Lord, I'm so tired. So, I think what I'm going to have to do is cut the fabric on this end, because I pulled up some staples from over here. But y'all see, so look at this soil. You see why I don't grow in ground? This is like muddy clay right now because it's wet. But when it's dry, it's like rock hard brick, y'all. It's like concrete. This is why I switched from growing in the ground to growing in raised beds. Even though I'm not gonna lie to y'all, when I first moved onto this property, this area where Aunt Jerry's raised bed is, I grew in ground there successfully. I really, like, I had no issues or whatever, but I just decided that it was better for me to just switch to raised beds and containers. But the trees I had already planted in the ground, so that's why they still there. Obviously they doing well. Y'all know I got like 1 billion apples from this tree. The lemon tree y'all see over there. I'm not sure what I'm waiting for to pick the lemons. We got lemons inside, that's probably it. Another thing, y'all, I wanted to show y'all, if you could see them, some of the worms that went into the ground. They had so many earthworms, y'all, like just right here in this area, so many earthworms. And I sure picked them up. I put them in a raised bed right here. They making their way into the soil. If I get some more, I'm gonna spread them out among the raised beds. But y'all, this is gonna take me forever just to get this black landscape fabric, you know, pulled back so I can I'm squatted down, y'all. Hold on, let me get up. But it's gonna take me a while to get this black fabric pulled back, because the grass that started growing through have like gripped the landscaping fabric to the ground, y'all. The grass that grew through the landscaping fabric has like stitched it to the ground. So I'm fighting with the fibers of the grass to pull back the landscaping fabric, and then I'm gonna get that green ring around. I was thinking about trying to even out the soil, because I have a lot of like dips and divots, but y'all, I ain't even finna worry about that. I'm out of breath. I only have a little time to do this project, and I'm just gonna do it on this one tree right now. But I'm gonna be getting in my garden. I'm gonna be getting in my garage this weekend to organize. Now, y'all, everything ain't for the gram, and by that, you know, I mean YouTube, because I'm not on Instagram. But the garage organization is not for my YouTube channel, but that's something that I want to kind of get a plan for today. And then, what's today? Today Wednesday or Thursday? I don't know, but like the rest of the weekend into this weekend, I'm gonna be going back through my garage. But I want to at least see how it looks with the tree rings, at least on one tree. And eventually I'm gonna do the lemon tree. I am gonna do my cherry tree down there. And then I also had planned to just put a ring in these pots for my cherry, 2 orange, and my lemon tree. So, oh, y'all, let me get back to work. Hopefully the next clip, I'm gonna show y'all the ring gonna be in place, the green ring, y'all, because Lord, I'm wore out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is what we're working with so far. So I got the green tree ring down at the base of the apple tree. Is not the most beautiful thing, but I was always a function over fashion kind of person. I did also prune off some of the lower branches and some of the other branches that I just, you know, either didn't just serve a purpose, they was too low. Cutting some of these make it easier for me to get around the tree. I got an apple, y'all, for my work, so I will be paid for my labor today. I know that the area is uneven, y'all, but we gonna make it even with this mulch. But this is a good area for me. Now, before I put the green tree ring down, I did go ahead and put a liquid fertilizer. I did put that treatment. I think it's 10-10-5. Y'all seen that, the blue gallon jug. I went ahead and mixed that up and poured that down there. Then I put the green tree ring, put the rocks around it. I have the black landscaping fabric like folded back, you know, just to expose that area around the tree so I can put the green tree ring. And now all that's left is for me to just fill it in, just fill everything back in with this brown mulch. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I did pick up some more earthworms. I threw them in, I think I put them in this raised bed over here. Y'all, I cannot believe how many earthworms they have underneath this landscaping fabric. I wonder why I always see the birds on the ground in the morning and in the evening. I wonder, you know, that's what they're doing. They trying to get them earthworms. I don't know if they're picking them through the landscaping fabric, or maybe they have some that's in the mulch. They might be getting them like that. But all right, y'all, let me go ahead and fill this in, fill in this mulch, y'all. And this is just one tree, and I still got what, two more to go for sure. And then if I decide to do the pots, that'll be much easier because I don't have to worry about pulling back no mulch, no landscaping fabric, no nothing like that. But this is how it's gonna look. You know, maybe later on I'll go back and, you know, get like more uniform rocks and stuff, y'all. That I ain't worrying about none of that. I'm really not worried about none of that. But you know, if it hit me, if the feeling hit me, I might come back down the line. But who knows? The only thing I'm concerned with now is just making sure that nothing gets into, you know, nothing get inside the ring. I don't want anything to cover up the green ring, which is another reason why I wanted to have a contrasting color, so I can make sure that I keep this area specifically, make sure I keep that clear. All right, y'all, let me go ahead and get this filled in, and then I'll show you what the final little mini project look like. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the finished product of the apple tree with the green tree ring. I got my rocks around it. I put all of the mulch back, and y'all, while I was at it, while I was out here, I just went ahead and did the lemon tree too. So this was a little bit harder because I had to work around the pallet and then also work around like this back area, but I got it done. I did put my sign. I had this tag, this label already for the lemon tree, the dwarf Meyer lemon tree. I do have one for the apple tree. I just have to go inside and get it, y'all. I'm gonna do that another time. I had like 5 apples, I think I picked off the tree. I already brought them inside, but I'll insert a little clip to show you the apples. And then I went and I got the black tree rings because I thought they might have been a different size or different material or whatever, but they ended up being the same size, same like tree trunk diameter, like all of that, everything was the same. So I just stuck with the green ones, y'all. This is it. It was something else I wanted to show you right quick. Aunt Jerry's garden, I did have it covered up with that cardboard until just a couple of days ago, so not too much happening. I see a few little things, little something popping up. This right here, hopefully that's still a snowball seedling, because that wind and that water was a lot. I see some stuff. There's a Georgia collar, but this thing is all to the side, so I don't know, that might not make it. And I mean, I don't know what's gonna make it and what's not gonna make it, but I just couldn't let this bed just go unplanted. Here is Calabrese sprouting broccoli seedling, and then let's see what we got over here. This should be a Georgia collar, y'all. I don't know. I don't see any of the peas have come up. Nothing else really have come up, but it's been getting kind of chilly at night. You know, we had the rain, so I mean, we'll see. Today is, I believe today is it's today the 4th or the 5th. It's either the 4th or the 5th. And I planted these, I believe, on the 31st. So it haven't even been a week yet. And with the colder weather and stuff, it's probably going to be about 2 weeks before things really start germinating. But as you can see, that's right there. Maybe that's a kale that's, you know, kind of popping up. So a few little things in rear they had. I did have the cardboard kind of low, So I might have smashed some stuff, but we'll see. We'll see. That was one thing I wanted to show you. I think it was something else, y'all, but I'm gonna go ahead and go. Still working on stuff. I didn't like really clean up nothing. I ain't do nothing, y'all. Here's just a quick little snapshot. Everything else is the same. I haven't done anything here. The herbs, I think I did a community post on this, but this is mammoth dill, vulgare, oregano, those two in the back, and then in the front, common thyme and cilantro. The seeds are coriander, and the cilantro are the leaves, but you know, some people call it cilantro, some people call it coriander, so I just put both of them on there. This is, oh, this is a butter crunch lettuce. I think I just threw some seeds in there probably about maybe two or 3 weeks ago, maybe, and that just popped up. Everything else, oh, that was one thing too. So I took all of the peppers that was remaining off, especially off of this one. This is the black cobra hot pepper. This one and this one, I took all of the peppers off. They inside. We've been nibbling them away. I think I'm gonna dehydrate them though, and grind them up and have them for like powder, like seasoning. Not too much though, y'all, because I know they hot. The transplanted, what's this? This is spearmint, and then the sage, and the other ones I have over here in between the two, between my pots. I believe what the lemon balm, y'all, something is something. I think spearmint and sage is over there. And then of course the rosemary, we're starting to flower. See if that'll focus. That's starting to go to flower, so I want to get some of this and dehydrate this and have this for a season or two. I was thinking about bringing in some of the lemons, but we have lemons inside already. Y'all, look at that grapefruit back there. It's really a lemon though, y'all. All right, that's it. I gotta go. I was supposed to work in the garage today, but that's gonna have to be a project to start tomorrow, but it's gonna happen through the weekend. The mystery tomato, I had tomatoes coming in, y'all. I don't know what it is about this tomato plant. It really looked mysterious, and it just, I don't know, it kind of creeped me out a little bit, y'all. I don't know what it is about this tomato plant, but it just, I don't know, it seemed like it should be in like a horror film or something. I don't know, y'all. It's just me, but trust me, whatever come up off it, like these tomatoes and stuff starting to grow, whatever come up off it, I'm gonna eat it. I'm just say a little prayer over it first though. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is me wrapping it up, this video for today. I just wanted to show you the tree rings and just little things. You know, you always find something to do in the garden, and I thought I was gonna be out here for just a few minutes because I really was supposed to be working in my garage, but nah, that's gonna be tomorrow. Y'all take a minute, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, click that notifications bell, share this video, share my playlist, and share my channel with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.